Hey guys, today we're back at the Oratia Bowling Club. This is starting to become a weekly thing. This place never ceases to amaze me. Well, an unreal turnout today.
Yeah, a few new cars.
There's always new cars turning up.
And the old reliable rat catcher here.
I think Snap's inside.
Yeah, Snap's inside.
There he is.
Hello, Snap.
Hey boy.
Hello, Snap. You gonna snap us today?
No,
Right. Must be well fed.
no, he just knows us too well now.
Yeah, getting used to it. And, oh, what's it? Yep. Two-door post.
It was my first car. There you go. My first car to restore, you know.
Nice 57 though.
Yeah, two-door coupe.
Pillarless.
Very nice. Haven't seen that one here before.
No.
I've seen it drive past.
Yeah, that's cleaner.
Yeah, there's Grant's 40, what is it, sedan delivery. Used to be from a local vineyard years ago. They had it for years.
Yeah, it looks like it'll do something like that.
God, what's this rubbish doing here? Keep the jet cars out of it. Okay, you got your sunbeam, Alpine.
Matthew's Triumph.
What model's your Triumph?
It's a Mark 4.
Mark 4.
Mark 4 Spitfire.
Yeah, there you go. Wow.
Oh, have a look.
Yeah.
We've got a couple.
Oh, beautiful 57 here.
Yeah, two-door post.
Yeah. Look at this. Roadrunner.
That's serious work right there.
Oh yeah.
446 pack.
Mopar muscle.
Oh yeah.
That is cool. And the purple.
Yep.
Not sure what they call their purple. I know the Ford they call it plum crazy, but I don't.
I think they still call it plum crazy on the Mopars. Yeah.
Oh, okay. The GTX.
Mm-hmm.
Very collectible car. Very valuable. That's only one of his big collection. He's got about, probably 20, at least 25 nice cars. Richard.
Yeah. Nice sparkle on the paintwork on that.
Oh, look what we got over the back there. 58.
58 four-door.
Yeah, pillarless.
Yes, it is pillarless.
Four-door pillarless rear car. Got the fender skirts on it.
Nice patina on it.
Yeah, got a patina.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. And
Oldsmobile.
Oldsmobile Tornado. Very good. Don't see them very often.
Ah, it's for sale too.
Yep.
If anyone's interested,
There we go.
give the man a call.
And it's in beautiful condition.
Oh, that's wicked.
Beautiful condition.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look inside. Oh well.
Oh, look at that. Mint.
Oh yeah,
Showroom
there's
car.
showroom
Even
car.
smells nice.
Oh, it does. Smells brand new. Someone will be happy with this one if they buy it.
And
67 Oldsmobile. Alright.
now, jail bar. That's a tidy looking one. We had a grey one here last week. Good to see the jail bars out.
Nice two-tone on it.
Yeah, that looks good.
Very cool.
Mm.
A Chevy pickup.
Yeah, patinaed.
Steve's Chevy Caprice.
Yeah.
Paul built the engine in this.
Yeah.
Excellent. And there's the Oldsmobile.
Yeah, nice car. That's a factory 318 V8. Got the old school dish mags, white walls, nice paint. I like the colour scheme, it really gives the car a lift.
It pops, doesn't it?
It does pop, yeah, no, nice car. Alrighty. Over here we have a Rambler Marlin, very rare car. Wayne's, he's got a few cars. Got a nice 35 Auburn Roadster as well.
Oh, that's his as well, is it?
Yeah, it's been in his family since brand new. His grandfather owned it.
Beautiful looking car.
There's old Woody's Model A Roadster pickup. The wide block, the Thunderbird rocker covers, triple carbs, old school.
And here's your one.
Yep. Plus we got Daryl's Caprice. Now, that's a very rare car, that one. Daryl's owned it for 14 years. It's a factory 427, one of only 100 built. Fully loaded, it's number matching cars, fully loaded with all the options, and absolutely mint. It's a beautiful car.
That's wicked.
Yep. Okay. 58 Ford, retractable hardtop. Fairlane.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. This is a
And Ian's bullet car, Model A coupe.
yeah.
One of his many nice hot rods he owns.
It's probably my favourite one of his cars. This one.
My favourite's the red 32 coupe.
You think?
Coddington one.
You think mine would be the 32 coupe, but no, I like this one better. That's more me, that one.
Yeah. We got Collins old Patina 39.
Old reliable.
Old reliable. Yeah.
Starts every time and gets them around everywhere.
Yeah. Then we've got the 36 sedan here. He was here last week too. He's just got a bit of
Greyhound on it.
yeah. 4 doors.
We used to have a section in Snell's Beach.
Used to be a lot around months, but you don't see many these days. Here's a nice
They were all undercover.
Pontiac
It's a big car, this one.
Catalina. It's a survivor car, completely original, 400, and it's for sale.
Yeah, no details on it. How much would you want for it?
38,000.
38,000.
For such a nice car, it's worth every penny. Bit of a clean, it would look lovely.
American Chevy Caprice.
Spokey wheels.
Painted black. Well, the white doors would be an LA police car.
Brad 32 3 window.
Yes, beautiful car, this one. Gorgeous car, that one. And there's another Dave's car, and another car's just turned up as well.
Oh yeah.
They're just piling in today.
36 coupe just coming in.
This place never ceases to amaze me, eh?
Yep. Better as we go. Now Ted's old sedan. And note the sign on the back of my car, Mr. Old School.
Can't go wrong there.
Right. Right, we'll wander through here. Oh, there's Tanya's
55 Crown Victoria.
very nice car.
Yeah. Beautiful car.
And Bart's XK120, I think it is. It's also got an E-type Jag as well. And a 37 Chrysler Roadster.
He's doing alright.
Yeah. And it's Mustang. Oh, haven't seen that Falcon.
No, this is a new one as well.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
One of many new ones that have turned up. That's a new one over there too.
Yeah.
Very cool. Nice paintwork on it.
Yeah. Well car.
It is very tidy. How about that?
And look at that 57 Ford wagon over there. Very nice.
Very cool. What we got here?
Stay loose as good. Had that for a long time. Good Nick. Good to see it out.
Oh yeah, it's tidy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Amazing. What a turnout today.
Yeah, 36 coupe there. Oh, thank you. And a 39 Mercury sedan. You don't see many Mercuries around.
Nope.
A friend of mine's got a Roadster of that model as well.
Cool.
And a 64 Fairlane, so got a good cross section today.
No, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to go back in and have my cup of coffee.
Yeah, you do that. I'll have a little walk around again and talk to my people. Wow, how about that, guys? As I said before, this place never ceases to amaze me. And then there's another car going up the road. Oh, that looks like Warwick. There's Buick convertible. Well, this place is starting to become a weekly thing. New cars turning up all the time. Unreal. What a great place to come every Friday morning. So if you've got a classic car, you live in the West Auckland area, yeah, come here every Friday morning. Come be part of this Oratia Bowling Club in Glen Eden. Oratia, Glen Eden. Great people here. Yeah, come be part of this. Oh guys, thanks again for watching. And we'll see you guys at the next show. See yous. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Cheers guys.